Changing lathe speed. Before we change any speed in the lathe, we must first isolate it from the wall. The belt assembly access door can then be opened on the headstock. This reveals the motor pulley, the driver pulley and the drive belt connecting the two. To adjust this belt, it must first be released. Do this by slackening the release lever on the motor and slide it upwards until the pulleys slacken the belt. Using both hands, carefully adjust the belt along the two pulleys and set it onto the corresponding parts. Carefully lower the motor again and roll the pulleys carefully by hand, ensuring that the belt runs smoothly along both pulleys. Tighten the motor using the release handle, ensuring that the belt is not too tightly tensioned. Our lathe speed has now been safely changed and the access door can be reclosed.